Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This video is going to be a relaxing moving meditation that you can use when you need to ground your thoughts, resettle the busy mind and de-stress. Before we go ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Relax your whole body. Bend your knees and sink your way down into both feet. Feel all four corners of your feet. Close your eyes and find the center, find the balance with the earth, the connection with the earth through your feet. And then tuck your tailbone in slightly to lengthen the spine. And then tuck your chin in to lengthen the back of the neck. So your spine is nice and straight. The head is pointing upward towards the sky, and your hands are naturally relaxed by the side. Take a moment here to feel the posture, to connect with your body, to welcome and appreciate the body. And then bring your hands together and rub them until they feel warm. So we want to generate heat as well as bring the energy to the hands. When you do this exercise, when you do this movement, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. So, okay, that can take 30 to 60 seconds. So until you begin to feel a pleasant warmth coming through in your hands. Very good. And then slowly relax your hands down and gently begin shaking your wrist. Kind of like a wake up and activate the muscles, relax the joints. So all the attention now to your wrist. Very good. Relax. And then we're going to add the elbows. Gently rotating, shaking off, releasing the tension and relaxing the muscles and joints. Very good. Pause. Feel the sensations inside. The body begin to respond. Then we're going to lift the shoulders just enough for you to feel the squeeze and the tension and then let go. Because gently shaking and releasing. That will help us to kind of loosen up the upper body, eliminate stiffness, and get the blood moving in the area. Very good. Last one here. And relax down. Perfect. Then we're going to do a few hip rotation to get a sense of this energy, to get the blood moving, to warm up the muscles and relax the joints as well. So gently rotating your hips clockwise. Very good. Feel if there is any areas of discomfort or stiffness, you can close your eyes and use this moment to really connect with your body. Relaxing the muscles and letting go any tension or stiffness. Very good. And then roll to the other side. Very good. Last one here. And then come back to center. Relax your lower back, relax your hips. Very good. And then This exercise that we're going to do today, I like to do it in the evening. It's called skimming the water. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the hips, in the figure of 8. So gently shifting the weight from one leg to another, creating that soft, controlled, flowing movement. Okay, so you can go ahead and try gently shifting the weight, filling up one leg and then releasing, filling up the other leg. So your hips are moving all the time. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed. Perfect. And then place your hands in front of you. And at the same time, begin doing like a circle movement with your hands. Imagine that you have a puddle or a lake or a beautiful sea in front of you. And you place your hands on top of that and begin kind of touching the water, circling. You can also think that the water is your thoughts that are really kind of going at the very busy pace. It's very kind of rumbly. So you want to create a sense of calmness. You want to settle the mind by using this water as your guide. So if you calm the water, you can calm your mind. So close your eyes and really begin to welcome the sensations and connect with your body. Gently moving. You can do a quick mental check of your body. Relax your face muscles, relax your neck and shoulders, relax your chest, open your belly, relax your hip joints, and then relax your thighs and your legs. Feel your feet, feel the connection with the ground, sense of stability, balance. And then bring your attention to your palms. Notice if you feel anything underneath your palms, a sense of warmth, a sense of fullness, a sense of calmness. And you can also slow down, go as slow as you can, noticing every sensation, welcoming every sensation in the body. Listening to your breath and settling your mind. Very good. And gently do the last move. Slowly come back to center. Place your hands gently on your lower abdomen. Relax your belly. Feel the warmth from your hands penetrate through and warms up the abdominal organs and the inside. The sense of comfort and ease and harmony. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Goodbye.